Welcome to the Daily Market Recap, a detailed review of the market structure and the key support and resistance levels in the S&P 500 E-mini. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, 2013. S&P futures have auctioned up to a new multi-year high at 1773. S&P futures sold down from its multi-year high. Price pulled back initially down at or near 1750, and on Friday the market sold below the prior low and traded down to 1747. As the market sold down from the high, initiated selling occurred at or near the 1764 price level. On each subsequent retracement back at or near the 764 level, S&P futures encountered minor resistance. During Wednesday's overnight session, after pulling back down to 1756, the S&P broke out above the minor resistance level at 1764 and auctioned up to 1770 at today's open. The rally encountered selling pressure, and S&P futures sold down from the high and pulled back down at or near 1760. The market failed to pull back and fill the gap at yesterday's close. Following the pullback, the S&P auctioned back up to the 1776, 1774 price level and traded in a narrow range into the close. Coming into Thursday's session, prior resistance typically acts as support. Therefore, it is incumbent upon the buyers, if the market is going to auction up and retest today's high and go on to rally up to the 1773 multi-year high, that buying interest holds at the 1764-1762 price level. Should the S&P pull back down to the prior multi-year high and fail to find support, the likelihood is that today's high begins the formation of a double top. Selling pressure below 1762 would confirm that there is no buying interest willing to auction the S&P higher. The likelihood would increase that the market will sell back down into the trading range and potentially retest this week's low at or near 1750, 1747. That concludes today's recap for the S&P 500 E-mini. If you would like to follow our real-time commentary, we invite you to visit us online at www.followthebots.com. Log on and join us some morning at the open.